Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. I'm at the Hanover Preston Hollow, in Dallas, Texas. And by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So I'm going to walk into the leasing center. This is the lobby. Hey, how you doing there? So I'm going to walk in, and I just want you to see the lobby. This is what it looks like. It's a real pretty lobby. The elevator's there, just kind of a place to gather down here. There's a little bit more down here. There's an awesome concierge down there. He's already helped me. He's been great. There is just some other spaces here, just to kind of chat. And like I said, this is a new place, so you're going to see some very nice kind of drawings. It's going to show you the pool, some of the amenities, the lounges. You're going to see also this is pretty special. So look at this is the fitness center, and it's pretty amazing. Look at that, just all the glass in that. Just more beautiful lounge area. This is what it's going to look like in the lounge. It's still very, very new. So I do want you to see it though. It's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? That's what it's going to look like. So anyway, this is the lounge area. Real pretty area. And so now we're going to go see a little bit more of the amenities, at least the ones that are done. So I look forward to showing that to you. If you have questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.